Okay, Enrique. So let me walk you through how to log in and all that stuff. Okay. All right. So in that email I sent you, this is your login information. So this is spelled wrong. Okay. But this is what's in the platform. So you're going to have to use it like this. Okay. So what we do is we go here, email. Okay. And then Enrique Espinosa. This is a capital. And this is a capital. The two E's. Okay. Guión bajo. In mayúscula, mayúscula. Okay. So, password. Boom. Log in. Sometimes it takes a little while, but eventually here we are. Okay. So here is the learning path. Okay. So to access the modules, you can click here or you can go here. Okay. I always suggest to go here just so you can see all the rest of the work. So these are the modules that we have. Okay. So module is getting started, understanding speaking, maximizing interaction, um, understanding lesson planning, understanding differentiation, understanding assessment for learning, and don't worry about that. That's for me to complete. Okay. So right now, um, last week was a vacation week. Okay. So we took off for Fiestas Patrias. All right. So the very first week we worked in these 3 units. It shouldn't take you long to finish this. Okay. So you can catch this up, but this is real good. To finish because this lets you understand the platform. Okay. And this is the module that we're working in this week. Okay. So, real simple. You click here on Start. It opens up another tab or pestaña. Okay. So there's 11 pages. Okay. So you just kind of click through the pages and you do the exercises and blah, blah, blah. Okay. When you finish, you click here. Okay. So that will close that, and then this will update with your progress. Okay. So see, I didn't do nothing, and it showed 36%. Okay, but finish that. Okay, so this will give you a good idea. So you click here to continue, finish it. Make sure this progress always says 100%. Okay, result at least a 70. Okay, because you can do activities over again. So finish that, and then start working on this, and you will be caught up. Okay, so also you need to in this, I'm attaching the schedule. Um, I'm attaching this schedule to the email, okay? And so this is what you need to do. So webinar is next week, okay? So next week is webinar. So right now, this is what we're working on, okay? The understanding spoken interaction and participate in the forum discussion, okay? So where is the forum discussion? So here is understanding spoken interaction, okay? And the forums are right here. So you click here on the forum. You see how this makes a little, like when you move your mouse here, it underlines. Click right there. And so these are the discussion threads, okay? So that was the very first one we were working in. This was the live link. That was part of what I sent you as, you know, when I was showing you, I sent you the emails. This was the second that we worked on during the vacation. Um, and this was like a little reflective activity. You're more than welcome to click to go in here and watch the recording so you can, get to know your other classmates and all that other stuff, because you guys are going to be in webinars from out, and this is the forum that we are participating in right now. So it's very easy. Click here. These are my instructions. Okay, these are my instructions. So first you need to make a post, okay, according to my instructions. So you click here and you type and then you click reply. Okay, and then I encourage you. What we're trying to foster is a collaborative working environment. No? So go in, as it says in my instruction, to interact. So if you want to reply to any of your course mates, it's the same thing. You just click on the reply button and you type. Okay, so real simple. And then when you get through that, you go back here to click view discussions, and that never does work. I hate that, to be honest with you. You got to go back here and then go back here and then go back here. Okay, so that's how you participate in forums. Okay, and so you can use this quick access bar the whole time, no problem. So once you get through with your forum post, you want to go back and work in the modules, you can click right here, go back here and start back work, no problem. Okay, so if you have any problems, just let me know.